Hey, this is Mark with the mortgage firm. I'm here with Ingrid. We're here to talk to you about closing and the process of closing.
When you work with a mortgage firm and the title and abstract agency, we make it our priority to make sure you close on time.
Lending and title are the two most crucial components of the lending process to ensure you're getting into your home or closing on your refinance transaction on time. The home buying process is detailed and comprehensive. The mortgage firm works diligently working with the borrower and also the realtor to ensure that we get all the necessary documentation in a timely manner for underwriting.
When you work with our knowledgeable title closing department and our on-site attorneys, we will assist you through a smooth and timely closing. We take the uncertainty out of the closing process by keeping you informed every step of the way.
Your successful closing happens because of the communication, the review, and the document exchanges that happen between the closing department with the mortgage firm and with abstract and title.
That's right, Mark. The overall goal is to exceed all of your expectations from start to finish and ensuring you close on time every time. For more information, if you have questions for Mark or I, please give us a call, stop by one of our Tampa offices. We look forward to working with you.